Today I'm doing some outdoorsy things and I am being a little bit brave because I'm just wearing a sports bra. This is new. Being a little adventurous in more than one way. First of all, going outside. Second of all, going outside with a bare midriff, which a little bit scary, but here we go. All black murdered out, except for the flannel and these sunglasses from our sponsor. That's right. Chetty said Warby Parker. Warby Parker offers everything you need for happier eyes. Eyeglasses starting at $95, including prescription lenses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and they even offer eye exams. Plus, you have the option to shop with them online or in stores. And y'all know online shopping is my jam, so I love their home try-on program where you get 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free with absolutely no obligation to buy. And it even ships free because they include a prepaid return shipping label. If you need a little bit of direction to make your choice, you can take their quiz and get matched with exactly what you're looking for and give it a test run. But this is not my first rodeo, so let's get into the fashion show. First off, we have these timeless wire frames which don't distract from your facial features at all. They just seem like the go-to choice that would go with absolutely every outfit. But you guys know I'm a fan of a cat eye shape, so next I tried these gold ones, and they're so cute. Something about them just screams librarian in a rom-com though, which I'm honestly living for. But you know as well as I do that no fashion show would be complete without the sunnies. And I am in love with these. The shape, the sass, everything about them is flawless. So if you'd like to try 5 pairs of glasses for free, head on over to warbyparker.com/Beatrice. And a huge thank you again to Warby Parker for sponsoring this video. At 6:55 p.m. yesterday, the idea was brought to the table that we being me and sister, should come to my house and tear out the carpet that was previously existing in this downstairs living area. And as you just saw, we in fact did do that.
Because you are crackheads, children.
And now here I am without a plan in just this dilapidated state. Because I don't know how to lay luxury vinyl plank. Did I look up any videos? Yeah, this morning after the carnage has already taken place. Chetty, you better not. Sir, get out of here, sir. Go on. I know, but no one needs you rolling around in this chaos right now. I've been dealing with a lot of anxiety lately, and it has led to a lack of feeling in control with myself or whatever. It turns out that doing dumb projects actually helps a lot, because as I was ripping out this flooring, as I was like sitting there, just like going at the previous nasty ass carpet with a box cutter. I don't know if that was a proper tool to use, but that's what I used. It kind of just felt really empowering and like I was really doing something. So I am all gung-ho about figuring out how to lay this flooring. And I feel like this is a good area to start doing it because it's not like one of the main areas that you see right away. You know, I don't really care if I mess it up. So anyways, it was disgusting though. Like it was really gross. For whatever reason, Douglas would not stop peeing in this room. Like I couldn't get him to stop. He's potty trained, but there was just something about this room and I was kind of suspicious about it, like kind of sus, because the previous homeowners had decided to lay like brand new carpet even though no one was living here. The house was sold as is and the rest of the house was pretty dilapidated. That's why I had to do like a renovation. So I was very curious what I was gonna find. I thought it was gonna be some kind of hazmat situation. I was very afraid that it was gonna be like an outline of a dead body, you know, like just like the decomposed marks. Sorry if that was too graphic, but that is how my brain works, and that is why I have high anxiety, because I think of shit like that as like completely plausible. Any hoozle. You want to watch me prep this area? Thanks. Okay, well that took longer than expected, just to like pick up all the little bits and sweep until it was less dusty. I said less dusty because we cannot get it completely dust free. The more I kept sweeping, the more dust kept happening. Had to stop at some point. Anyways, now do you want to watch me speed paint this? Well, it will be speed paint to you, but to me it will probably feel like an eternity. How many of y'all thought I was gonna paint myself into a corner? Same. Honestly, I need a shower. Okay, we are at Lowe's like we are like nearly every single day lately since becoming a homeowner. It's just the way of the world, especially when you want to do home improvement projects by yourself, just always in Lowe's. Also, I've been trying to drive at least somewhere once a day because I'm trying to disrupt this anxiety pattern that I'm on, and for some reason, good reason, driving gives me anxiety because I'm in control of a large object. Also, I'm not in control of all these other people that are in control of large objects. Anxiety. So I try to drive somewhere at least once a day so I'm not like feeding into that fear pattern. So oftentimes Lowe's is that place. And it's kind of funny the way the universe works, because I was thinking about it. You know how I said in my last video how everything, even if it's a negative event, has a silver lining? Well, the good thing that's coming out of this anxiety is I am very productive. I realize that if I let my mind go idle, that's when the thoughts start thoughting. So whether the tasks that I'm doing are productive or not are neither here nor there, but I am doing way more than before I started having the anxiety depersonalization, derealization issue. Been focusing more on health and fitness. I have been working out. I noticed that on days that I work out, my anxiety is way less. So I try to get that in every morning, at least some form of something. I've been cleaning up my diet. I've been trying to limit gluten and sugar and dyes, especially red dye, except for the fact that all of that bullshit is in everything, seemingly. So I guess that's a positive. It's kind of shitty how we had to get there, but I feel like that's the way the universe does things. It's like if you just don't decide to do it yourself, they're going to throw something in your way to like force you to go that way. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I've just been thinking about that a lot lately. I've been thinking. That's my problem. Thinking too much. Anyway, let's go in this Lowe's. Let's get the underlayment of flooring. Did I even tell you what we're here for? My subfloor in like the basement's all wonky, and you can't like lay the flooring down and it be okay unless the floor is like somewhat level. So we are getting underlayment to make the floor level. And I'll show you the flooring I got too. I'm excited, but I probably won't get it laid in this vlog. Let's not be crazy. I need to learn a whole power tool before we do that. I bought a table saw. Anne keeps ordering things and sending them to my house, like under my name, but they're for her. So I open them because it has my name on it. But she ordered a whole case of baby jars. For what? I'm not mad at it. I like the surprises, but I don't know what are you gonna do with a bunch of baby jars. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you what the flooring will look like. This is the flooring that I chose. It's kind of a little bit rustic, has some variation. Hi, it's the next day. I don't know why I thought that was adequate footage to like show you the flooring, but it was not. It was blurry. You can't always tell in the viewfinder. I don't know. Anyway, so I'll show you that again. So yeah, that's that. Today I'm gonna be working on that, but today is also Monday, so I have to get my video up. It's already pretty much edited, except for this part that I'm putting in now, obviously, because I'm filming it now. In other news, I have not yet learned the table saw. I haven't watched any videos because I was dealing with another emergency with my house, which the AC went out again. It got up to 85 degrees. All the babies, Douglas and Chetty, were sweating. They were dying. They're used to a certain temperature, and the temperature is comfortable. So we had to troubleshoot and figure out that. It turns out that when you're ripping up carpet, a lot of dust happens, and a lot of dust gets in your air vents and clogs your filter to your furnace. So because that was clogged, it like iced over the entire like inside of the unit. So I turned on the heat up to 90 degrees so it would kind of like blow hot air into that like whole contraption and melt the ice. And I was also hitting it with my blow dryer. It was just a whole ordeal, but we were able to remedy that and fix it, and that was cool, but I did not have time to sit there and deal with flooring when that was happening, and I wouldn't want to in 85 degrees. So I didn't have time to finish the flooring, but I'm going to start on that today, hopefully, and just keep on vlogging and logging, and hopefully there'll be another video later on this week. Like on a Thursday. Oh, and then also in other news, I did something that you guys have been asking for a very long time now, which is get a P.O. box. But it's not really a P.O. box because it's through UPS. It's called like a UPS mailbox or something. I don't know. I'll pop the address here. Also in the description of this video. So if you are the person who told me that their child had made me some art, you can send it there. I love child art, so if any of your children color anything and want to send it to me, keep it coming. I love that shit. But other than that, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Remember to subscribe if you want to turn on that notification bell. But other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!